Got triple class 377/5s departing Sevenoaks for Ramsgate via Canterbury Rest. Oh, 377/501. Here's a DB Class 67 Pullman Railtour passing Sevenoaks to for London Victoria from Devon Priory. That service goes, and 67 leading was 67.021. Now going down the Otford line for London Victoria. Wow. We have departed Sevenoaks is a Southeastern service to Hastings from London Charing Cross. That's the Thames Link. Oh, here we go. 375/902 leading. Survive 702. Wow. 375 speeding through from Cannon Street to Tonbridge Jubilee sidings. Okay. 375 815 leading. Survive 811 on the back. Wow. Here approaching Sevenoaks, or passing rather, is a West Coast Railways Kentish Belly Rail Tour from London Victoria to Strood, via Maidstone West and Tonbridge. Class 47 on the back there. The Southeastern Class 375 service getting ready to depart Sevenoaks or Dover Priory via Tonbridge from London Charing Cross. Amazing. 375 816 leading. Oh, amazing. There it is. Course I've set for triangles. Tonbridge West. 28. Service goes. Class 465, 46508 leading. The service to Tonbridge Wells and London Charing Cross. Service goes. Well. 465 173. Services. It's a Class 707 service departing Sevenoaks to London Charing Cross. 707 014 leading. This service goes. Service goes. Send a 7029 on the back. Now departing platform 3 at Sevenoaks is a Southeastern service towards Hastings from London Charing Cross. D75 811. With 375 709 on the back. With an out of service class 27 departing platform 4, 375 809. Now let me rephrase that, because I just read up the platform. Class 375, departing platform 4 at Sevenoaks for a depot. Facing class 375, departing Sevenoaks for Hastings from London Charing Cross. Lovely day out today. Oh, gosh, I love those joints. Passing Sevenoaks is a freight service from Daydream Dock Receptions GBRF to Tonbridge West Yard. GBRF. Looks like a... Nice, not? That is the London Underground 66 livery. I am wrong. Oh, wow. Southeastern Class 465 and 189 get ready to depart. Sevenoaks for under the Guest Grove Park down the CHS. As Sevenoaks CHS is blocked with Class 700. Whilst waiting, we also have a Class 700 052 getting ready to depart, or departing Sevenoaks for London Blackfriars. Service goes. Now with the network good to go. Aha. So how good it goes. Of course, cow goes up. This time. Southeastern Class 465 service, 465 leading to London Charing Cross from Tonbridge Wells. (466.003) on the back. Woo. Class 465 service, departing Sevenoaks for London Charing Cross. 919, 465 177, and 466031. There's 919 and 177. (466.031) on the back.